Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best Apple Bebe Weather pick for your little one. The Hudson Baby Girl's cotton dress in the Apple print, size 6 to 9 months. Whether you're dressing your baby for a warm sunny day or layering up for a cooler breeze, this dress is your all-season favorite. Let's dive into what makes it special. The first thing you'll notice is the charming Apple-themed design that's playful, vibrant, and perfect for any casual occasion. It brings just the right amount of whimsy to your baby's wardrobe, with the fresh look of red apples against soft cotton fabric. Ideal for park outings, photo days, or just a cute everyday outfit, this dress is an instant eye-catcher. What really sets this dress apart is its fabric. It's made with 100% pure cotton, which means it's not only soft to the touch but also breathable and gentle on your baby's sensitive skin. Babies can have unpredictable skin reactions, so natural materials like cotton are always a smart choice, and this dress delivers exactly that. Putting the dress on is a breeze too. It features a convenient pull-on closure that makes dressing and undressing simple, even during those fussy moments. No zippers or buttons to worry about, just slide it on and go. The dress is also machine washable, which means it can handle the realities of baby life. Spills, drool, or diaper mishaps. Toss it in the wash and it comes out looking great every time. What's especially nice is that this isn't just a standalone piece. The product includes a coordinated set of dresses, giving you variety and options while keeping the style consistent. Whether you're packing for a weekend trip or rotating outfits at home, having multiple matching dresses is a practical and stylish solution. The sizing is true to fit, and the 6 to 9 month size allows for a comfortable amount of wiggle room without looking oversized. You'll find your baby able to move freely, crawl, roll, and explore, all while staying cute and cozy. Now let's talk affordability. At just $13.99, this dress offers tremendous value, especially considering you're getting a soft, high-quality cotton garment that's durable enough for everyday wear. There's a shipping and import fee of $21.25 for delivery to India, but even with that, you're still getting a premium product under a reasonable total price for international delivery. Shipping is handled by Amazon.com, so you can count on reliable tracking, fast processing, and the added comfort of a 90-day return or replacement policy if anything doesn't meet your expectations. To sum it all up, the Hudson Baby Girl's cotton dress in Apple is a fantastic pick for parents who want style, comfort, and practicality in one affordable package. It's sweet, soft, and designed to make both baby and parent happy. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, in-depth reviews of baby essentials and beyond. See you in the next video.